All right, getting ready to take off. There's Kenny. It's cold as shit here.
Hey.
But yep. Let's go get it.
Ride with this nub straight ahead, okay? You're gonna have a drop. Go slow, straighten it out that way. Yeah, straighten it out right there. Slow and steady. You're gonna have a little drop right here, and then you'll come up on the rocks. This is the exact spot I was on. Go nice and slow. No, you're good. You ain't going nowhere. Slow, let it break down. Turn that way just a little. Yep, right there. Now just slow and steady and let it climb. Hold. You got it? Yeah. Now that way, hard that way. Hard that way. There it is. Good, sit. Keep going. I'll tell you when hard passenger and up. Hard passenger and up. Keep going. You got lots of room, dude. You got until this tire gets to the edge right here, okay? Everything up front safe. You're completely safe. Watch this tire. This is your stopping point right here on this little knoll. You got 5 foot in front of you. You got 2 foot here. Come on. 18 inches. 18 inches. Come on. Watch right here. Back tire. You're almost there. You're completely safe.